Here's the teats. The wonders of a push-up bra, you guys. Right there. Okay, we're good. Hey guys, welcome back, and thank you so much for watching. If you're just running into my channel, what's up? My name is Krystal, and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today we're going to be doing a Fashion Nova clothing haul. Well, a try-on clothing haul, because I want to try them on for you guys. When I'm watching these kind of videos, I like watching the try-on clothing hauls because I want to see what it looks like on an actual body and not just like in a hanger. So we're going to be trying them on today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got some really cute stuff for fall, so if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I got is what I'm wearing right now. It's this two-piece set. It's called their, I think it's called their Wanderlust set. I have it in gray too, but I got it in olive. As soon as I saw this shade pop up, I was like, yes, that's happening. I need that in my life. Love olive. So it's like a pant or legging set. This little crop top hoodie. It's a v-neck. I love it. I had to get a size medium. I purchased it in a small before, and the small just did not fit me as far as like the pants go. So I had to get a medium. But yeah, this is super comfy and perfect for fall. You could wear it running errands. You could wear it around the house. I just think it's really cute. So comfortable. I want to get into more colors for sure. Okay, so next I picked up this really comfortable mock neck midi dress, super stretchy. I got mine in a small. It's ribbed. Let me show you guys what the length is. So it goes like right above the knee. It's not too short or anything, but I thought this would be really cute with like some combat boots. So this is definitely one of those types of pieces where you could either dress up or down. You could wear some heels with it. You could wear some combat boots or even some sneakers. You want to cinch the waist up a little bit more. Hold on. Let me snatch this waist real quick. Add a belt to it. That's cute, right? What do you guys think? I kind of like it. So yeah, this one I felt like was really perfect for fall. Okay, so then we have this really cute sweater. I thought it was so cute that I got it in 2 different colors. I think it comes in like 4 different colors or something like that. But I picked up 2 different colors because I thought it was so cute. It's reversible too. This technically is the back because the tag is like right here. But on Fashion Nova's website, you could wear it either like this or, and I even like it like this too, without putting the shoulders up. You can do like a little off the shoulder number here. Cute. And wear it like this. And the back would be the crisscross. The only thing about it though is I don't think you'd be able to wear a bra if you have the back crisscross like that. But it's really cute. I feel like it's cute either way, but I like it the other way so much better. And then I also got it in this color too. Got like a mauve-y shade. Cute, right? What do you guys think? I actually really love this shade. It's so pretty. I can't wait to wear this. I love that. I love sweater weather, even though in California, sweater weather comes a little tardy to the party, but I love cozy sweaters though. It's so warm too. Okay, so next we have this really cozy and comfy fuzzy, or I guess furry or fuzzy, whatever you want to call it, off the shoulder sweater. It's in black, obvi. Captain Obvious here. But yeah, so comfortable. Goes up to about here. I'm wearing some biker shorts with it right now. You can totally rock it with some jeans and some sneakers. You can dress it up a little bit, wear some heels with it if you want to, wear leggings, depending on what your vibe is. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it so much. Okay, so next I have one of my favorite pieces. It's a hooded denim jacket. So it's got like sweater material for the sleeves and for the hoodie. And then it's denim right here. It's really cute, super comfortable to wear. Keeps you warm without feeling like you have like all this denim on you. I don't know about you, but like I like sweaters under my denim jackets, or I like denim jackets that are like lined, so that way it's not so like, this one's super comfy. And the hoodie comes off if you want to take it off. I like it on, but it does come off if you want to do that. There you go. So if you're not into hoodies, you could totally take that part off. Still really cute. Goes up to about here. This is a size small, so it goes up to about there. Okay, next we have these sweatpants or joggers, whatever you want to call them. I got them in a size medium, but I totally could have went with a size small. Usually in like sweatpants and leggings and stuff, I'm a medium, but I totally could have gone with a small for these because they run kind of big. And I feel like I read that in the reviews and I totally didn't listen, but definitely read the reviews, you guys, and listen to the reviews because those girls know what they're talking about. Yeah, they're really cute, comfortable. They have bands on the ends and they have like this faux drawstring. I wish you could tighten it though because I like my waist to be super snatched up, but that's okay. Make it work. Okay, so next we have some jeans. Try to get back here. These ones are super cute. They're mom jeans, so they're kind of loose right here, but I like how the waist is small. I'm a size 7 in FASHIONNOVA jeans. I had to bump up a size. I used to be a size 5, but now we're 7, and these just fit really nicely. So I like these ones a lot. This one though, I have worn already, and I did notice that after a while, the waist starts to loosen up a bit. So if you want your waist to stay snatched all day, then I recommend wearing like a belt with it. So let me put this on. And bam, that just lets me make sure my waist stays snatched all day when I wear a belt with this. But I like it a lot. What do you guys think of these jeans? Really cute and comfortable. I love mom jeans. I'm not a fan of like skinny jeans or jeans that are just super tight on me. I like them to be like a little bit loose, especially like around the knee area. So okay, so next we have another pair of mom jeans. So I hadn't worn jeans for a while because I was too busy wearing like workout clothes and sweatpants and things like that. I was having like my mean girls, sweatpants are all that fits me right now moment. And then when I finally put on my jeans, I realized that none of them fit me anymore. I had to get all new jeans. These ones are also mom jeans. Really cute. I'm a huge fan of distressed jeans. So any jeans that I buy is usually distressed. These are like cuffed at the bottom. They're really cute though. I like to wear these with sneakers. You can even wear them with booties if you want to. I like these ones a lot because they snatch my waist and I don't have to worry about with them. But look how snatched we look today. But yeah, I love these jeans so much. Kind of have to do some squats, you know, that jean squat, work them out a little bit, but you know, good. They're not too tight, just mostly on the waist part, but I like them. A little snug on the waist area, but good everywhere else, which is what I like when I'm looking for jeans, so. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep what I have on right now, but look how freaking cute is this little handbag. FASHIONNOVA had a bunch of them, and all the ones that I really wanted are still sold out. I think one is back in stock, so I need to go pick that one up. But a lot of them are sold out, but how freaking cute is this? It's so perfect for fall, the colors. It's got like a burgundy, off-white. I feel like this looks more blue than black, but it's like blackish there, and then like a blue there, and this little mustard shade. You could literally pair this with like any outfit. Make it super cute. And it's actually a crossbody. You can make it into a crossbody, but I kind of just like it, you know, like this by itself. I would just hold it like that. But if you didn't want to hold it, you can make it into a crossbody. It comes with a little strap there. But so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. Alright guys, so that is it. That's everything I picked up from FASHIONNOVA this time around for our fall fashion haul. Let me know what your favorite pieces were down below in the comments. I love the fall. I'm a November baby. I was born November 23rd, so I'm not going to say the year because let's keep that a secret. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this try on haul. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!